Here have been times when you have been dying to jump on that hot stock tip, but the instant deposit limit on Robinhood is making it difficult for you to do so. Every single one of us has experienced that. Perhaps you witnessed a pre-market rally that you were unable to capitalize on, or perhaps you didn't get the chance to take advantage of the ideal midday slump. Fear not, fellow warriors of the investment world. In today's lesson, we are going to go deeply into the world of instant deposits on Robinhood and investigate the various methods in which you can boost your purchasing power. What is a Robinhood instant deposit? Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a sec. For those new to the Robinhood game, an instant deposit allows you to transfer funds from your linked bank account and use that money for investing immediately. Pretty nifty, right? But there's a catch. Robinhood imposes limits on how much you can instantly deposit. The standard instant deposit limit. Without a Robinhood Gold subscription, which comes with a monthly fee, the base instant deposit limit sits at $1,000. That might be enough for some, but for others, it can feel restrictive. So, how do we break free from these limitations? Method 1. Leverage your account balance, Robinhood basic users only. This might surprise you, but even without a gold subscription, there's a way to potentially increase your instant deposit power. Here's the secret. Your account balance actually plays a role. Robinhood offers tiered instant deposit limits based on your total investing capital. Here's a breakdown. Account balance below $2,500, $1,000 instant deposit limit. Account balance between $2,500 and $10,000, $5,000 instant deposit limit, nice bump. Account balance above $10,000, $50,000 instant deposit limit, whoa, that's serious buying power. The key takeaway? The more money you have deposited in your Robinhood account, the higher your instant deposit limit becomes. Essentially, you're pre-funding your future trades. Method 2. Upgrade to Robinhood Gold. Alright, so maybe steadily building your account balance isn't your style. You crave instant gratification, and who doesn't in this day and age? Here's where Robinhood Gold comes in. This subscription service unlocks a treasure trove of benefits, including increased instant deposit limits. The exact limits with Gold aren't publicly disclosed by Robinhood, but numerous user reports and online communities suggest it can be a significant jump from the basic tiers. We're talking potentially tens of thousands of dollars. Important considerations before upgrading. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and potentially a monthly fee. Here are some things to keep in mind before taking the Gold plunge. The cost. Robinhood Gold currently has a monthly fee. Make sure you trade actively enough to justify the extra expense. Margin trading. Robinhood Gold also unlocks margin trading, which comes with inherent risks. Only utilize this feature if you fully understand the potential consequences. Method 3. Patience is a virtue, free, but requires waiting. Let's face it, sometimes the best things in life take time. If the above methods don't suit your fancy, there's always the good old-fashioned standard deposit. While you won't have access to the funds immediately, a traditional bank transfer can take 3 to 5 business days to settle in your account. It's not the flashiest option, but it's free and perfect for long-term investing plans. Beyond the limits, responsible investing practices. No matter which method you choose, remember, responsible investing is key. Don't get caught up in the heat of the moment and overextend yourself financially. Always invest what you can afford to lose and have a clear strategy in place before hitting that buy button. There you have it, folks. With a little know-how, you can unlock the true potential of Robinhood instant deposits and seize those fleeting market opportunities. Remember, choose the method that best suits your investment style and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.